right, boys and girls, so let's look at number 2. Number 2 is, again, a rectangular prism. And I bet you're already noticing that you could probably find a Z. See if you can find it. Pause the video, see if you can kind of outline it with your finger by yourself. Look for it. All right, I'm going to go ahead and outline mine. So again, when I see or think about the Z, I always think about starting at the top and coming across. So I'm coming across and going down the corner edge, and then I'm going to the back, from the front to the back. So that should give me my needed measurements. So when I look across the top, I see that this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, or 1, 2, 3, whatever you want to count, whatever's the easiest. So the length is 3. We can count the height, 1, 2, 3. The height is 3 as well. And the width is 3. Oh my, this must be a cube, not a rectangular prism, because all the measurements are the same. So when I think about my formula that I want to use, I'm going to go back to my yellow paper, and I can think, oh, if I have a cube, then I need side times side times side, which is what I'm going to put in for my formula. Side times side times side equals volume. And 3 times 3 times 3 will give me the volume. And 3 times 3 is 9, and 9 times 3 is going to give me 27 cubic units. So now it's time to check my work. So again, this time I think what I'm going to do is, instead of using cake layers or that bird's eye view, I'm going to maybe use the loaf of bread or a file folder. So I'm going to go ahead and outline that file folder layer that I see. So I'm just going to go ahead and start with one line across the top and then down the side. So when I'm looking at this, I can see that this is 1, this is the side, and this is the front. So there's 1, 2, 3. So I have 3 right there, and right behind that I have 3 more. So this would be 4 cubes, 5 cubes, 6 cubes, and then I have the top of the 7th one and the front of the 7th one, then the 8th cube and the 9th cube. So this whole layer is going to be sliced off. So this layer is representing 9 cubes. Well, if I have, and I can go ahead and I can label those for those of you who like to label and see things just like this. I think it's important to be able to see it in multiple ways. That's going to give you the best understanding. Remember that this right here is the side of number 9, the side of number 6, and the side of number 3. And this is the top of number 3, the top of number 2, and the top of number 1. And so when I think about this first layer, this green layer full of being equivalent to 9, then I know that I have another layer right behind it. I'm just going to go ahead and shade it pink. And this layer here is also equivalent to 9. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in there. And my last layer is going to be yellow. So we have 9 more. It's important to see all those layers and labeling. So when I think about a layer of 9 plus another layer of 9 plus a third layer of 9, that is also going to give me the 27 cubic units. So make sure that you have recorded that so that we can find your answer easily.